Alright, let's make a fool of myself. Here's a laptop I purchased. I don't know when I bought it or what's inside. It's been so long. It's been sitting here, no time. So it's a long weekend, I've got a little bit of time. Let's see if we can have a look what it is and maybe fix it. I have no idea. And then we can look at what I paid for it and whatnot. And convert this into some money. The HP Type-C connection. Looks like a good laptop. Oof, it smells shit inside. Let's see what the history, what's this? I have no idea. Maybe cracked screen. There is a crack there. i5 7th generation. This will be a good laptop for spare if the screen was good. I know the screen, these models, they range around, you know, cost price about $220, $250. I don't know, it depends on the market price. This is the EliteBook X360 1030 G2. Let's see what I paid, what's the history. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, okay, it's only screen problem. Okay. Okay. So here it is. So we paid $265 plus $21 something, so at $285 to $290, let's say. Yeah, X360 1030 G2. Oh, this says i5 7200. But it's a, that's interesting. i5 7200. What did I read it as? i7 or i5? Oh, it's i5. Okay, no, that's fine. Okay. All right. Still a bargain. And what's the screen cost on this? So if we were to just look at eBay, for example, so from China about 260, 235, varies, 205. Yeah, all right. So even 197. Interesting. Okay. It's an EliteBook. It's got power. Yeah, okay. No big deal. Yeah, it's been factory reset. Let me see if I've got something similar. So I had a look. I don't have any good one. I did manage to find another broken one that I may have replaced a while ago. Probably LCD works, but not the touch. We can't use that, so I had a look online on AliExpress. Found a really good deal. So for example, this one here, plus 10% is our shipping, so about $150 for a new complete assembly. That includes the back and the LCD. Very easy, simple installation. And that's quite cheap, free delivery. And some other sellers are selling the same thing for $270 plus the shipping, plus the taxes. Some people only sell the touch glass without the frame, plus a small shipping fee. This is the cheapest I found, 114 plus the 20, 134 plus the taxes, just for the glass and the touch. So this is a bargain. I can't believe the price. I don't know if it's a mistake. Alright, so I'll be ordering this, and when it comes in I will install it. So simple as that. So this, if we were to calculate 134.52 times 1.1, that's our taxes. And what did we pay? Plus 265 plus the shipping. Where's the history? Sorry. 265 plus the shipping. Yeah. 434 will be the final price. And if we were to look at same laptop, the way I normally do when I do search on eBay, I look at sold and look at, this is the, if you like, the lowest price that you should sell on the marketplace, like Gumtree, Facebook, whatever. So you normally add about $50 or $100 more on top. So you can see what they're sold for. That's B, meaning B condition. 560. Wow, that's a new one maybe. That's me buying it. Alright. Everyone will have a new screen. So let's say minimum 550 to 650 between. Let's say 550, let's say 590 minus 590. So make about $155. And not only that, if you don't sell it, you know, we can always sell it as, when we can't repair a laptop, one thing we do is we offer the customer the option to buy another laptop a little bit cheaper and include a data transfer where we charge for that service. So we make money either way. It's good to have laptops on standby. You can always, when you can't repair a laptop, you can always sell it as well as part of the repair. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.